Hi, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw cute penguins. Let's get started. First, we choose black color and the studio pen and inking to draw a quick draft. Let's draw some simple lines on the canvas first, as the body of the penguin. We're going to draw a parrot captain penguin. So let's draw the parrot hat on the top. Then draw his chest. Next, draw his flippers and feet. We can use eraser to delete the lines we don't need. Then let's draw his eyes with an eye patch. And also draw his mouth. Our penguin will hold a sword as well. Next, let's adjust the shape of the parrot hat a little bit. And then add a scale icon on it. Let's draw two little cute penguin parrot crew on the side. The shapes are really similar with our big penguin. After that, click the Move tool to adjust the position and size for the draft. Now let's create a new layer down below the draft layer. And tap two fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Then we can easily draw the final lines based on the draft. This is easy and straightforward, so I will speed it up a little bit. And we could add a yellow outline inside of the parrot hat as the decoration. Okay, now we have all the outlines now. We will start to fill colors for our parrot penguin. Create a new layer down below the outline layer, and change the outline layer to reference. In this way, we can color the shape easily on a separate layer based on the reference layer. But we need to make sure our coloring layer is under the outline layer, otherwise the edge of the shape will not feel perfect. Then we can just drag and fill our parrot penguin with different colors. After filling all the colors, don't forget to change our outline layer from reference back to normal. Next, we are going to add some shadows. Create a new layer at the bottom to draw the shadow on the ground. Then create another new layer on top of the coloring layer and change it to clipping mask, so only the drawings within the parent layer will show up. Don't forget to change the layer to multiply after drawing the shadows. Finally, we can add a new layer on top to draw a twinkling light on the sword. We use white color and the flare brush and their luminance. Then we are done for the cute parrot penguins drawing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you next time!